4-speed, and Dean is driving the Nova. That's fine. Let out the clutch a little bit, see how it feels. Okay, give it just a little bit of gas so it's not too bumpy, but just not too much. This is a lot of power for power. Go that way. Okay, just let off the clutch. Give it some gas. Not too much. Not too much. There you go. You're doing good. All right, leave the clutch out and just let it kind of roll with just barely any gas. Not too much. I'm telling you, you will go through the wall.
Where should I keep my foot, like this?
Better get it ready. Give it a little bit of gas so it doesn't too jumpy. You're not ready for stop sign. Just keep going. Okay, so you're not doing any clutch. You're just rolling. The hardest part to learn is to start off, and you've already got that after what? 2 minutes? Good job, boy. We're recording. This is me not being angry. See? Okay, just turn around again. Watch where you're going still. Check your mirrors. That's kind of the biggest thing, is you got to do all this, but you also have to do all the regular stuff. Okay? Let off the clutch and let it roll again. Okay? Now just go back and do the same thing, kind of a loop over there. Watch for these idiots. Not too much, Dean. This is not a Nissan. This is a big boy toy. She goes bye-bye. Okay? Give it a little clutch. I like to give it a clutch all the way and brake. Slow down. Now
It's coming.
Nobody's coming. You watch. Clutch all the way. Clutch all the way. Okay?
Dang it.
When it starts to jump, hit that clutch all the way. And be careful of that gas. That's more than you think. Okay, go ahead. Let out the clutch. When it starts bouncing, hit it back in. All the way, not just a little bit.
All the way.
Okay.
We're still rolling.
Okay, let off the clutch. Just give it enough gas so it'll go. Not that much. Remember, this is a rocket ship. Now, when I want you to turn it right at this corner, but I want you to just push the clutch all the way in and just roll around the corner. Clutch all the way in. All the way in. Brakes. Roll around the corner. Okay, let off the clutch and give it just barely any gas. A little bit more. You're doing great. You're doing great. Okay. Look at that. You're driving a 4-speed. Good job,
I haven't
boy.
even shifted yet.
Yeah, that's fine. You don't need to shift. This is the shifting's the easy part. The hard part is to get started, because you can't make it go without killing it normally. Okay, stop. Just like stop. Clutch all the way to the ground and brakes. Okay? All right. Go. Remember. Oh, see, there's your first dead. Should we pause? Clutch all the way to the floor.
Clutch all the way to the floor.
Start back up. Uh-oh, what'd you did? Broke my car. Remember, we got to get home, right? Could be out of gas. That'd be really hilarious, honestly. Yeah, we're going to pause for technical difficulties.